That's right. Yeah, this one is actually on the back. But anyway, so today he did it all by himself.
Daddy, what do you have there?
Yeah, we'll get that one too. Now, David. So we're going to open this up now, David. But before we open this up, let me tell you that today is also a milestone for other reasons. Actually, yeah. So today, Brent started I-9 Sports with flag football for the second time, right? A new team, though, new set of boys in this team. Their first practice and game today. All right.
And also, yesterday, I lost my tooth.
Again, another tooth. So he's first two with his ones in the front. They got those fully grown and adult teeth, and then he's missing the teeth on the sides, and now one below. So he's a little late bloomer when it comes to losing the baby teeth. But they're coming around. And the big news today, also everything else that's going on, is Lucas TV Toys just got 2,000 subscribers. Yay! Another milestone met.
2,000.
All right, so now I have an admission to make. We actually opened this already on camera, then found out that the audio didn't work, so we're doing take two. So anyway, let's take this off for David. He loves these cards. Here you go, David. Go at it. This is your present. We're doing number 2 on the potty by himself.
Yep.
Big time, right? He's becoming a big boy now.
Can you keep the car?
So now we've got
Yay!
Galactic Express, which we did on a little video the other day. Now,
Okay.
there is no toy that David likes more than Hot Wheels cars. Nothing. Brent's favorite toys, Lego, right? That's why we do a lot of Legos on the channel. David, we're probably going to do a separate channel at some point, all together doing nothing but Hot Wheels, because I don't see any sign of him slowing down. This is going to be a kid who is all about Hot Wheels. Brent's all about Lego and building and Minecraft and things where you have to build. David, he likes racetracks, cars, trucks. That's his thing, right? So we'll probably keep these as separate channels later on at some point.
Roblox isn't about building, but I also like that. I'm gonna get you.
So we're gonna give you a close-up look at this one, just like we did that one, and this one actually, otherwise, along like this one would go on the Hot Wheels channel that we have. Well, and we haven't really set it up yet, so we're going to do that a little later. What are we going to call it? Lucas TV Hot Wheels or something?
Lucas TV Wheels.
So we got Lucas TV Wheels. I like that. Instead of using Hot Wheels name, just use Wheels.
Maybe Lucas TV Cars.
Lucas TV Cars is good. Maybe you have a suggestion. Leave us a comment down below. A channel just for Hot Wheels, but probably also like Disney cars would be on there once in a while, especially if they ever come out with another movie, like they just did recently. Matchbox cars. So it'd probably be more than just Hot Wheels, but it's all going to be like cars or trucks related. So, you know, what would you think would be a good name? Probably Lucas TV something. We got Lucas TV Toys, which is really Legos most of the time. Right? And then we got Lucas TV Adventures, which is about, once again, brand new. We haven't really done much with it yet, but we're going to start with...
Wait, you already released it on YouTube?
Yeah, I already set it up. So it's going to be about all our visits to Walt Disney World and Universal Studios and other Orlando attractions. And then we'd have the cars. It's 4.
For our YouTube channel, that's pretty good.
But it's going to be tough getting the other ones to catch up with Lucas TV Toys. I mean, that one's like the main one. What?
Oh yeah, that is fast. David, can I see if the car can go up? Put the car up in here. Can you do it? Can you do that?
What
I got it up.
So this one goes there, boink.
Wow, those are cool. We have a lot more of those trucks. I think they're pretty cool.
Yeah, we haven't opened them yet. We've been waiting for when we're going to release the new Hot Wheels channel at some point. To like go into, we have like every Star Wars one. We got all the superheroes character cars. We got the Minecraft cars. We got even Ghostbusters cars. Believe it or not, Ghostbusters Hot Wheels cars. They came out with. We got Easter cars. We got collections on collections.
So this.
All right, David, you ready to do a close up? David, you want to give the audience a close up look?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the little. Ready, David? Leave it there.
Daddy's cycle. Daddy,
David, how is the camera going to see the car up close if you
that's
take
a
it?
boom boom. The truckin sweater.
Yeah, no.
And this.
Hey guys, do you like Hot Wheels? Well, this channel is all about Hot Wheels. You've seen nothing yet, so make sure you click the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss any videos because the best is yet to come.